Student, this is our IC engine lab. Here in this lab you can see the vision and mission of the IC engine lab to develop interest among the student in the field of IC engine, to deliver quality practical education to the student on different components and function of an engine, to develop professional attitude so that the student may develop and sustain their skills as mechanical engineer, to spread awareness among the student about effect of automobile emission and their prevention, to establish itself as a center for advanced research in the field of IC engine and alternative fuel. This is the chart of internal combustion engine. In this you can see the internal combustion engine. It lots of part of the internal combustion engine: engine block, cylinder head, exhaust manifold, intake manifold, timing belt drive pulley, oil pan gasket, oil pan drain bottle, cylinder head cover. This is a common rail direct injection chart. Now the lab started. In here, this is a drawing of showing the working principle of 4-stroke engine. How 4-stroke engine works: intake stroke, compression stroke, and power stroke and exhaust stroke. And piston moves from TDC to BDC and BDC to TDC. This is a lubrication system. Next, here lots of component you can see. This is a governor. Different types of governor is here: Wilson Hutland governor, centrifugal governor, Porter governor, Hutnell governor, Watt governor, and DOB clutch. The first one is the Watt governor. Watt governor is developed by James Watt. The function of governor is to control the speed during fluctuation of the energy in the 4-stroke and 2-stroke engine. This is the clutch, and his upper one is the dynamo. This is the dynamo. Dynamo purpose is to convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy. This is Olden coupling. This is a thread clutch. Here water pump. Next, here you can see the steering mechanism. This is a pressure measuring device, Borden tube. This is a steering system. Next, this is radiator. Here 4-cylinder 4-stroke IC engine, and this one is a 4-stroke single cylinder engine. Here you can see all the components. This is a ignition coil, distributor, contact braking, and here power is transmitted by using belt and pulley arrangement. This is a dynamo. This is a water cooling system, 4-cylinder 4-stroke petrol engine. Here you can see the 4-cylinder. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4-cylinder. This is a carburetor. This one is our dynamo for generating the electricity. This is a self starter. Dynamo gets power from the the engine. If you are rotating, then you can see how the piston position is moving. This is how 4-cylinder engine works. I am showing very slow. During real condition, it will work in very fast manner. From all the piston, crankshaft is connected. You can see. This is our flywheel. Flywheel is act as a conservation of energy. And from the piston, crankshaft is connected. This is inlet manifold, and this one is a exhaust manifold. From inlet manifold, our fuel and air mixture will supply, and from exhaust, burned gases will be thrown to the atmosphere. This is an engine block. This is our piston 4-cylinder, 4-stroke petrol engine. So from the piston, crankshaft is connected, and from crankshaft, flywheel is attached, which is acts as you can see how is it working. If I am moving in reverse direction, it is a reverse. In actual real condition, it will operate in a different manner. This is a 4-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. From the piston, here you can see piston is moving, reciprocating. Piston, the crankshaft is connected through the connecting rod, and from crankshaft, flywheel is connected, and then this fan is rotating this. And now this system is a 4-stroke petrol engine, 4-stroke single cylinder. This one is a single cylinder engine. Here you can see that this is a single cylinder. This is a flywheel. Here is a single flywheel. This is a single cylinder, only one piston. This is a shaft, and this you can see this is a crankshaft. From the crankshaft, our rotary shaft is connected through the gear. Chain sprocket system is there. Power is transmitted through the chain and sprocket. This is a single inlet. Here you can see the exhaust valve, inlet valve, spring, exhaust port, inlet port. From inlet, the mixture from inlet petrol will become air filter. Air will be supplied from inlet port. This is, you see how piston is moving in reciprocating direction, and crankshaft is getting the power. That's all about single cylinder.